Jai Gurudev. I am Shishireka. To have a long life, killing a disease killing the virus is very easy. It is because that virus is all around us. So let us protect ourselves, not to surround that Yamaha around us. Oh, gone. Jai Gurudev. I am Shishireka, nurse by profession and retired as a nursing tutor grade 1 from Office of DME, Director of Medical Education, Telangana. I wanted to tell you all about practical points as how to protect ourselves from COVID-19 disease. So when you go out, always take some 2-3 masks. See, mask you need not buy the mask, just a handkerchief with 3 layers will help you to have a mask. This is a 3 layer. See, I can just fold into 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a mask which I can use. I can just close it and clip it. So this is a mask which I am using now. This is just a handkerchief. So when you use as a mask, there is some method how to use. Suppose I am having a fever or infected with COVID. So the one which is coming in contact with my mouth and the nose is the infected area. So when removing, I have to remove like this, and the infected area I have to close like this. And then always carry some plastic bag with you so that I can use this towel again by washing in hot water, first putting in a disinfectant solutions. So once I go home, what I will do, I will take already at home I have a Dettol solution, a 5% Dettol solution kept in a mug. I will always put in this bucket and keep this thing in the bucket and let it get dipped for half an hour to 45 minutes in the Dettol solution. And then I will remove this after 30 minutes. The germs have died. I can put in the hot water, wash with the hot water or with the plain water with soap and with soap water. Then I will dry in the sun. That is more important. Or I will iron again and use. So this is the way you have to use. So kill the virus. Come on, the Yamaha should go out of our country and our place. So that is the one thing. Always carry 3 or 4, either homemade or handkerchiefs. A 3-layered mask is a better way to protect the virus entering into your mouth or the nose. Then this mask always carry some 3 or 4 like that. So after a little shopping or talking, I have to remove and wear another mask. So always use the mask. So that is about wearing masks, women. Then while going out, so always when you go out, put the mask and also cover yourself with the nice cloth. Water, always carry. Nowadays so much Milton bottles have come. It will keep the water hot. When you are going out, carry this water, or at home be. One thing is, an infected person may show certain signs and symptoms, but infected with COVID-19 may not show symptoms because of the resistance he have, but because the virus entered in him, he can spread the virus also. So, asymptomatic person without any signs of any fever, cough, sneezing, chills, then also he may spread the infection. So be very, very cautious about your surroundings. Things used by the infected person, maybe his glass, spoon, this glass, he may have drunk water, or you have given water to your visitors with a glass. He may be asymptomatic, but he may have the infection. So once he uses the glass and please learn the visitors or drink from up, so that the mouth will not come in contact with the surface of the glass. Increase the immunity by proper diet, fresh exercises, yoga, breathing exercises, and have a healthy, happy life. We can just do by simple methods like hot water, boiling hot water, and use of disinfectants and proper hand washing. We can just eradicate, kill the virus. And treating the patient at the earliest stage also very easy, knowing about the signs and symptoms, and greet the patients with all the persons with namaste and no hugging. Let us improve our immunity and let us kill the disease and let us not spread the virus to others and protect our life. Have a nice day. Thank you. Jai Guru.